Yay 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 yay. We're finally getting real snow. It looks like we will get up to 6 inches. I'm so excited.
Sophia, it's time to go to bed. Please do not cause any trouble tonight.
Okay, I won't. Wow, look at how much snow fell. Well, I might as well go enjoy it right now while my parents are sleeping, because knowing them, they won't let me enjoy it.
I'm going downstairs for a glass of water.
Man, it's been a few minutes out here and I'm already pretty freezing. I think I'm going to pass out.
Man, I'm thirsty. Wait, what is that outside? Holy shit, Sophia, what the fuck are you doing outside? Oh my god, oh my god. No, 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 Sophia, my precious little princess, please don't die on me. Wake up, please. Oh, thank goodness, you're alive. Why did you go outside? You could have died from hypothermia.
Because Dad, all I wanted was to enjoy the snow, because I knew you would not let me tomorrow during the day.
Still, you don't ever do that. Second of all, you weren't without dressed up to go out in that cold weather. You could have got sick or died out in that weather, you know.
I'm sorry, Dad, please don't ground me for this.
Take your ass straight back to bed right now. And do not ever do that again. You were crazy as hell.
Wah a a a a a a a a a a a a a a.